Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited about this video. I am collaborating with Clip-Ins Namibia. All the links will be in the description box below. So this is the packaging. It's absolutely cute. And this is the hair that I received. I got 14 inches and 12 inches of straight kinky hair. It was absolutely soft to the touch. And this is just how it looks like out of the pack. One of the pack has all these clip-ins, and this is how the hair looks when it is washed. If you want a more descriptive video on how to wash the hair, I advise you to go to their Instagram page where they show you how to do that with the different types. So this is the first hairstyle that I did using the clip-ins. And this is the second hairstyle. If you're interested to see how I achieve these two looks, stay tuned as I will be showing you in future videos.